Spring is the season of rebirth, the season that everyone gets a second chance, a chance to bloom. And having some minor health problems myself, I believe that this is such a great opportunity for me to heal through gardening. Nature is the biggest healer, and we should learn to use it for almost everything, from our health, energy, so everything. If I come to think of it, I chose the iris flower because I've been in love with these flowers since really young. Because every time that I saw them bloom in the garden, I thought that, well, they didn't belong in the garden, they belonged in a fairy tale, because when the sun hits on them, they just look like, I don't know, fairy wings, something really sparkly. And if you've never seen an iris bloom in the sun, then you are missing out, and you just should try to find one and just enjoy it under the spring sun. It is like that a little fairy forgot her fairy dust on the petals of the flowers. Plus, they are really easy to plant them. You just get the bulbs. Mine, by the way, were already growing in the bag. Well, you get the bulbs and then you open some holes in the soil and then you put them in, you plant them and water them, and they are ready to grow. Just don't put them that close. They should be a little apart, they should have some distance between, because they are going to grow and we all need some room to grow. By the way, if you've missed the Instagram posts and stories, my account is full of them right now. Our pond iris, the one that we have growing in the garden pond, has already one bloom and two other on the way, and we are so excited. We bought this plant last year and it is growing so well. I am so proud of it. It makes the best captures, but believe me, in real life it is way better. And if you have some space, even if it is limited, you should definitely get some flowering plants, because it is spring and springtime calls for a lot of flowers. I really have no idea how long it will take for these baby iris plants to just grow and make their own flowers, and I'm really excited because I bought the mixed ones, so I have no idea what color is where. But still, I am not sure if we will get flowers this year or the next, but stay tuned because the journey is better than the destination sometimes.